can't make it out because I don't speak Chinese, but... Alright, and we might need to amplify it even more. We'll turn it all the way up now. Alright, that might be loud enough, I don't know. Nah, we'll go ahead and kick it up to 10. Volume equals 10, vol norm equals 1. Alright, and then go back to the beginning of the line, erase M player, replace it with M encoder, and go back to the end of the line. Now we've got M encoder, the path to the file that contains both audio channels, AID 2, AF volume equals 10, comma, vol norm equals 1. Now we need to do our output video codec, which is -OVC, and then put copy, because we don't need to do shit with the video. We're just going to copy it. And then put -OAC for output audio codec, and then put FAAC, and then space FAAC options for OPTS, and then BR equals 128. Alright. And then -O, and then drag the file back over here so you don't have to type the whole path again. Then erase everything in the file name except for the original file name, then put .avi. And it should output to the original AVI, or it should output an AVI with only the second Chinese audio track, the second track which is Chinese. It should just copy the video very quickly and ignore the first audio channel completely, because AVI files cannot contain more than one audio stream, one video stream. So it'll completely ignore the first audio channel. It'll copy the first video channel and encode the Chinese channel of audio and into an AAC codec. Then when you're done, well, there's 18 minutes remaining. I hate to cut this and cancel this and just show you the rest of what to do, because I really needed to do this to this file, so I'd like to get it done now. But anyway, check it out. So when you're done, you're going to have the video, which was just copied, nothing more, and then you're going to have the encoded Chinese audio or foreign language audio. After that, you can take that AVI file. Damn it. Take that AVI file, drop it back into the input files box, uncheck the box for video, uncheck it, and then where it says your file's output name right here, delete MKV and replace it with MKA for Matroska Audio, and hit Start Muxing. It'll dump the AAC audio in a Matroska Audio wrapper. Then you'll have the AC3 file, the AVI file, the MKV file, the other MKV file with both tracks, and then MKA file. So when you're done, you take and which one? I think I can delete this one right now. I can't delete this one and I can't delete this one. But look, when you're done, you'll take the finished product that was transcoded before, the original finished Matroska file, before you added the extra audio stream into it. After you dump this Matroska audio into here, you'll hit remove all to empty this back out. Move this original finished Matroska file back into here, and then move this other Matroska audio file back into the input files box, and then hit mux again and give it a different name, like .2 or -2.mkv or something like that, like my file name .2 or -2.mkv, and hit start muxing. Then you can delete all of the other media files altogether, and your finished file you can rename to and delete the .2 off the end of it, and you can rename it to just whatever .mkv, and it'll have both encoded audio tracks for both languages, both the original foreign language that was recorded in the film and the English dub overs. And what I'll do, I shouldn't even bother saying all that. I'm just going to stop this video right now, and when this is done, I'll pick the video back up. I wasted my time even going over that. Alright, stopping the video. Alright, check it out. The video's audio, extra audio track, just got done transcoding. So, if you remember, I already deleted the AC3 because it was already muxed into this. This is the original finished product. It has the English AAC audio stream with the encoded X264 or H264 format video stream, which we used X264 to encode. It includes that and the AAC stream of Chinese language in this file. And we just took this file and told it to transcode the extra the audio, the second audio stream. Ignore the first audio stream, which was the English one. Transcode the second audio stream to AAC, the Chinese one, and just copy the video. Now that we're done with that AVI and it's done transcoding, we can delete this extra one. So now we have the original, which is finished product with English, and then an AVI with just Chinese. We just drop this into here. Now we uncheck the H264 video stream. We don't want that. And then here at the end, change MKV to MKA, hit start muxing, and it's just going to dump again the audio stream, which is in a Matryoshka wrapper, Matryoshka audio wrapper. And while it's doing that, I'm going to do something real quick. Alright, so we got the finished Matryoshka audio. No video whatsoever, just the audio. Check it by skipping around. Alright, sounds like it went from beginning to end. Now click remove all, drag the finished MKV in here, the original finished MKV. Now drag the MKA in here, into the input. Now leave all these checked. You'll have one MPEG-4 AVC Advanced Video Codec stream, one AAC audio stream, which this one is English. Click on this one, and I believe that's Chinese. So just down here in language, go down, and there it is, Chinese. Now we got to give it a separate file name so it doesn't overwrite the original. So I just hit -2 at the end, and then leave the rest, and hit start muxing. Now what this is going to do is mux the entire file again into another stream, and it's going to have the video and then English audio and Chinese audio. Now the thing is, when you're doing this, the audio and video is going to be out of sync. But it's not a matter of frame rate, so it's not going to get worse out of sync as the movie plays. It's just offset out of sync. So we got to fix its offset. In order to fix its offset, we need to know what the fuck the offset is, what the wrong offset is. And so we got to wait for this to finish before we can determine what this incorrect offset for the Chinese stream is. I'll show you how to do that right here in a second. But first, what we will do is verify that all streams are complete from start to finish, so we can delete all of these and just work with this one. Alright. Now, this is our somewhat finished product. Now, skip back and forth through the movie to make sure the audio and video is in sync and complete. When you need people to talk, they don't fucking talk in the movies. You got to see the lips move to hear if it's in sync. Alright, so we know it's in sync. Now skip to the end to make sure it goes all the way to the end. Alright, So it's in sync and it's complete from beginning to end. Now switch the audio track to the second audio track. Check the same thing. And with MPlayer, it usually restarts from the beginning when you switch audio tracks. And it did. All right. Oh, wow, I made that second audio track way too loud.
你说什么？